guys and girls, I'm excited to bring you Eden. This is a new short style part of Noriko's Fall 2019 collection. Eden is a short, wavy bob with a lace front and rare right side monofilament part, so I can't wait to take a closer look at that. This is a very dense style which has permatease throughout. Let's take a closer look. Eden's wig cap features a hand-tied front for a natural hairline and off-the-face styling options. There's also a wide hand-tied monofilament part, which offers the appearance of natural growth at the part. You have a soft top that is easy to wear and offers pre-teasing for all-day volume. On either side, you have the velvet-lined ear tabs, which are adjustable and provide a better fit at the temples. The cap is wefted at the sides and the back, which allow air to travel through for coolness. On either side of the extended nape are bra strap type adjusters, which allow you to adjust the circumference of the wig cap up to 1/2 inch. Well, here is Eden. Is this not a very dynamite, beautiful short style? You have to realize that this particular style is very heavy with fiber at the front. This might be overwhelming for people with petite faces or very narrow, delicate facial features. You could always take this style to your wig stylist or hairstylist to have the front fringe thinned, and it may work well for you. This style has a beautiful lace front that's temple to temple, and it has the right side monofilament part. The part gives the impression of hair growing right from the scalp. I really love the fiber. This is a high quality Japanese Moda acrylic synthetic fiber. It's not overly shiny, and the feel is very silky and soft, just like human hair. Right along the wefts, there's permatease. So throughout this wig, you've got these little wiry fibers, which is the permatease, and that gives the style its incredible volume. When we look at a close-up of the parting space, you get an idea of how dense the fibers are on this wig. You may want to carefully pluck along the part just to widen it a bit. Eden's cap size is average, which fits a head that is 22 inches in circumference, which is my head size. Now Eden fits me snug right out of the box without moving the adjustable straps, so I don't feel that this style is good for someone with a larger than average head size. In fact, it may fit a petite average size head quite well. Well, let's take a look at this beautiful style from all sides. The front, left side, the back. Ladies, look how stacked the back is. It's just so beautifully cut. Right side. And you know, I love the fact that as a short style, this wig is going to last you a very long time. Well, let's talk about the measurements. Eden has a front bang that measures 7.48 inches long. The crown is 7.08 inches long, and the nape is 1.96 inches long. Weighing in at 3.38 ounces, this is a lightweight style that can carry you from the office to a hot Friday night date. Let's talk about this fantastic color. This color is Razberry Ice-R. It's a rooted color. It is a dark and medium auburn blend with copper and strawberry blonde highlights and a dark brown root. Now this root is like a number 2 dark brown, and it's important for you to know that this particular color is a $19 upcharge when you order the wig. Well, let's take a look at this color outside. Here is the color Razberry Ice-R in natural light. Because this particular style has permatease throughout, it's so easy to just take your fingers and tease up those fibers to create a very full, voluminous look. So you can wear it as sleek and polished as you like, or you can wear it as larger than life as you like. There's not a lot of styling options with Eden. You could wear her off the face and pinned back using a barrette. You also could tuck her behind the ear. She looks really adorable tucked behind the ear. You could even leave a little bit in the front. Very pretty. Well, if you're interested in purchasing Eden, I highly recommend the website pinkypromise.com. They carry this style in all of the beautiful Noriko colors. They have great customer service and free shipping. When you visit pinkypromise.com, go to the home page, scroll down to the bottom, sign up for the mailing list. You'll receive a 30% discount code, good on your purchase, plus you'll receive email alerts about great sales and wig brand new releases. If you have questions about this style or the color, I'm more than happy to answer. Please leave your questions in the comments section below. If you wear Eden, we would love to hear your experience with this wig. Well, thank you so much for watching my wig review. Take care. Bye-bye.